When we talk about climate change and coastal risk, very often people are really worried about flooding. But in places like Staten Island, risk is also about storm waves and coastal erosion. Living Breakwaters is a coastal resilience project offshore of Tottenville, Staten Island. And it's designed to reduce wave heights and energy and help control shoreline erosion. The overall layout and design of the Living Breakwaters was developed through a pretty complex modeling process. We had to test how they worked. Would they attenuate waves coming from different directions? Would they build the beach back? One of the most exciting parts about the project is it isn't just designed to be about risk reduction, it's about creating habitat. This area used to have oyster reefs, and shells and reef create this complex habitat with lots of niches and crevices, and the breakwaters are designed to have that complexity too. One of the key intents of Living Breakwaters is that it's not just this project. It's going to work differently in different places, but we really hope that many of the techniques piloted and used in the breakwaters can be replicable in other communities.